Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to execute multiple commands by executing only one command in Termux or Linux. Let me open the Termux first. Now I am using Nano, which is simple and built-in text editor in Termux. The command is nano space file name. I am creating a text file named as commands.txt. Here I am gonna put all the commands that I need to execute. For example, let's put the first command pkg update and pkg upgrade. Sometimes it might prompt the user to enter Y for continuing the upgrading process. So I am typing -y here for yes to all prompts. Second command is echo hi viewers. The echo command is for printing any string in terminal. When this command be executed, the text hi viewers would be printed in terminal. And I am putting the final command pkg install php. Now I am saving the file by entering ctrl plus s or ctrl plus s and exiting the text editor by ctrl with x. And now we know all the commands are in the commands.txt file. Let's execute the file by /commands.txt. In Linux or Termux, / is shorthand for the current directory. When we type / before a command or a script or executable file, it tells the system to run that file from the current directory. Oops, permission denied since I forgot to give executable permission for the commands.txt. So I am giving it by chmod plus x commands.txt. The command chmod is for change mode of the file and plus x means giving permission as executable to our file. Now I am running it again. Can you see our packages are being upgraded now? Yes, it means our first command is being executed. Let's wait for it to finish. Now you see, after the upgrading process, the text hi viewers is printed. After it, pkg install php command was executed and the message shows PHP is already the newest version since I have already installed it. So we have successfully executed all 3 commands in that file by executing the file only. You may ask me, we could execute all the commands one by one instead of typing them in one file? Yes, but this will help in automation and you might have experienced sometimes you typed multiple commands one by switching between Termux and browser, right? So this will help you to tackle that issue. I should remind you, this is not the first time you are doing this, because you should have executed a file which is named as requirements.txt when you downloading any tool, and sometime bunch of packages are being installed. We may have no clue what the hell was happening that time. Have you got it? What were the things in the requirements.txt file? Yes, they are the commands for installing the packages that the tool needed.